Welcome to another Mailbox Power training. I am going to discuss with you automations, and specifically we are going to look at the nearest neighbor automation. Nearest neighbor automation is an automation that, as it indicates here, for every one contact that you add to this automation, their 5 nearest neighbors will get a card or whatever it is that you're sending in the automation. So that's for every one person there are 5 that go out. Do not target an entire neighborhood with nearest neighbor automation, as this will result in each recipient receiving upwards of 5 to 12 or more of the project that you are sending at that time. So let's take a quick look in here when creating this automation. Much like the other ones, you're going to add your first shipment, add an item, and then add your project. When to send, it typically works similar to a drip automation, except that it's targeting the 5 people. Not only is it targeting the 5 nearest neighbors of whomever you add, it will not send to the one person that you add. So what that means is, and the use case in this would be, if you sold my house or did work on my property and wanted to advertise to my neighbors, you would put my contact information in, and it would not send to me, but it would send to 5 of my nearest neighbors. So again, keep in mind the math that is involved in that. For every one, 5 are actually sent. It's as simple then from here of making sure that you have all of your setup correct. If I have a dynamic QR code merge field, and we have a different video that goes in depth on those, make sure that you also have a URL either on the shipment level or on the automation level. Much like the others, if you have an executive, you can change the address, the return address on your project. Be sure to save changes, and once you add your recipients, manage recipients, you can add by a group, which is the quickest and easiest way. Then you can activate the automation when you are ready.